Hey, badass business owner. I've got a few questions for you. Let's see how you do. Can you take a day off and the business will run smoothly without you? Or does your business shut down for the day? Can you take a vacation with your family and not worry that you're going to lose business? Do you go to work when you're sick as a dog because you know there is no one that is going to help you get the work done? Could you stop working in the business and it would still survive? And finally, can you make a decent living off the profits of the company and not just as an employee in the business? Well, the odds are the answers to most of these questions is going to be no. I'm also willing to bet that if we took the money you make in your business and divided it by the number of hours you work, you probably make less than you did if you worked for someone else. I hate to tell you this, you own a job. I tell you this not to make you feel bad, but rather to fire you up. I want you so fired up that you look at your business differently than you do today. That you start seeing the opportunities to take your business to the next level. One in which you can take time off and not worry. One in which you don't have to miss the important days in your kids' lives. You must wear your business owner hat and not your employee hat. You might not realize you're doing it, but if you are spending the majority of your time working in the business and not on the business, then you're thinking like an employee, checking boxes to get the job done. We want to get you thinking like a business owner, moving your business through the early stages of your business to the later stages where you start pulling out of the day-to-day operation and you start focusing on running a better business. I want you to earn more than just $15 an hour. How does $100 an hour sound? You can make more as a business owner than you ever will as an employee working for yourself. I just need you to focus on the right things. I believe in you. I see your passion for what it is that you are building for your financial future, and my mission is to help get you there. So let's get you out of that surviving and existing stages of your business and get you into the growing and expanding stages where you not only earn more money, but you will no longer own just a job, but you will be a successful, profitable business. And if you want to learn more about the stages of your business, watch this video and we'll put a link in the show notes. And this way, make sure you also hit subscribe and click that bell because I'm going to continue to put out more videos that are going to help you take your business to the next level. And remember, you are a badass business owner, not an employee.